Industry terms can often be confusing when using so many different acronyms, so we are setting out to help bring knowledge and understanding to a few more in the HVAC and building automation space. IEQ and IAQ are two concepts that tend to get easily confused. The acronyms are similar and their concepts overlap. Let's start with IEQ. IEQ stands for Indoor Environmental Quality, and simply put, it's the factors necessary to ensure comfort and well-being for all occupants, things we feel, breathe, hear, and see. IEQ is one of 5 environmental categories created by LEED to measure and recognize buildings that are designed with green initiatives and promote high-quality spaces to work and live. The LEED IEQ category addresses 3 sets of design construction guidelines: thermal quality, lighting quality, and thirdly, you guessed it, indoor air quality, or IAQ. LEED's indoor air quality guidelines seek to reduce VOCs, or volatile organic compounds, as well as any other air impurities and contaminants. When designing buildings, this means considerations must be taken not only in choosing interior construction materials, but also how ventilation systems play into the building's use, what cleaning products are used, and other environmental elements that may off-gas into the air, causing a reduced or dangerous air quality. One facet of IAQ is air moisture, too much of which could lead to mold, bacteria growth, and the spread of viruses. Having a properly designed and controlled HVAC system certainly contributes to a building's IAQ. This leads to a better occupant experience and higher score on the LEED certification. So what does all this mean for a building owner, a contractor, or an average occupant? It's initiatives like these that guide us into the future. As an owner, you want to look at your building and ask, how can I improve the quality of my space so that my tenants are more comfortable and healthier and ultimately stay longer? As a contractor, you may be able to bring these green initiatives to owners to save them money, provide them solutions that go above and beyond the minimum requirements, and land additional jobs. And to us all, it means better buildings, safer environments, and a greener tomorrow. KMC Controls is committed to providing solutions that promote green initiatives while helping to maximize your project's IEQ and IAQ. For more Industry 101 content, check out our KMC Controls 101 playlist. And to learn more about any of the solutions from the building geniuses at KMC, visit us on the web at kmccontrols.com.